Alright, let me help you with that real quick. Okay, you can use this one.
Thank you so much, CJ. And hello, everyone. I'm Althea Blanco. Good afternoon to our dearest friends from the press. And I see some familiar faces. Hello. And thank you for coming po dito kahit na may bagyo, kahit na maulan. I appreciate you all for coming today and to see the fresh start in my career. And thank you so much po. And I'm so excited. Thank you.
Umulan Dumagyo, we will always show up for you out there, you know that. Alright, so before we begin the question and answer, let's start with the contract signing first to make it official and seal this partnership. Alam ko sobrang excited ka na dito out there. That's why we would love to immortalize this event by doing so. I would like to call in our executives, so please come up on stage. We have, of course, the president of ALV Talent Circuit, Arnold Vegafria, in the house. There you go. There we go. Hi, Sir Arnold. Ayan po, you can take your seat over there. Thank you so much. Of course, joining us today also is the president and COO of Viva Artists Agency, VAA, Miss Veronique Del Rosario Corpus. Hi, Miss Veronique. Hello, hello. And of course, the president of Viva Communications, we have in the house, Boss Vincent Del Rosario. There you have it, ladies and gents. Of course, I'd like to acknowledge the presence also of some of our bosses we have here today. The chairman and CEO of Viva Records, we have Boss Vicente R. Del Rosario Jr. There you go. Ayan, of course. And of course, and then Business Development Head of Viva Artists Agency Incorporated, Attorney Jillian Victoria Corpus. There you go. Maraming salamat po. To all our bosses, thank you so much for being here with us. So, ngayon pa lamang, Althea, welcome to the Viva family. So, I think now is the best time to start this up. Althea, are you ready? Yep?
Yes, I'm ready. Gumagana na naman. Sorry, hindi ko ayun.
Yun?
Shuffle pala, sorry.
No worries about that. Okay. So, Anthony, I think you have your contract with you. Pero bago yun, ayan. Ayan, perfect. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Okay. So, okay, I think now is the best time to open your folders, guys. And the pens to finally, start your journey with Viva Family. This is something so exciting and so beautiful for you out there. We have a lot of opportunities. The world is so big for you to enjoy. Ayan po, we have our bosses signing the contracts at the moment. Together with Althea, of course. Also, Althea is going to have a contract and she's going to sign with Viva Records for the information of everyone. So we are excited to hear the freshest tracks from Althea sometime soon, di ba? Beautiful. Yep, all good. All good, sealed and signed. Ayan na po. Making sure everything is all settled. Okay, beautiful. Palakpakan naman natin yun, guys. Wow. Alright, few touches. Okay, perfect. Thank you so much. So may I request all the bosses together with Althea to have a quick photo opportunity at the center, please? Ayan, just real quick, before we finally begin our press conference, before we begin our Q&A for today. Ayan po, okay. Picture. Yeah. You can take the center stage na lang with the bosses. Okay, yeah. Beautiful. Thank you so much. To our ever supportive bosses as well. Okay. There we go. Alright, smile for the cameras. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, smile. And there you go. Beautiful. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat po mga bosses and of course Althea. Alright. I am more than excited to get this started with. Okay, to begin our Q&A. Ayan, we have Althea to answer the first question. And the first question is from ABS-CBN, Miss Ana Cereza. Thank you so much, bosses. Let's see you in a bit.
Hello po, good afternoon po. Hi, Althea. Congratulations. Thank Thank you so much po.
Can you just share, what are you looking forward to the most in this chapter, especially since you signed also with Viva Records? Are you planning on focusing first on acting or are you planning some music?
Yes, ayan po. Thank you po for that question. And to answer your question po, actually, si Sir ALB po ang nagsabi sa akin na mag-sign din ako for recording. And nagtiwala po ako sa kanya because nakikitaan niya ako na kaya ko din naman mag-sing. But for now, I'm focusing on acting talaga since gusto ko po talaga maging character actress. And I'm really excited to do a lot of films under Viva and of course series na rin.
Bakit character actress and how do you think na Viva is the perfect opportunity for this and with Sir ALB?
Yes, I really want to delve into more character-driven roles po, like mga psychological thriller, suspense, and of course drama hindi pwedeng mawala. Dahil kahit sabihin po natin na 10 years na po ako in the industry, gusto ko pa rin po na na-challenge talaga yung acting ko. And I know na marami pa talaga akong dapat matutunan. And with Viva, na-feel ko na sa kanila ko matutupad yung mga characters na gusto kong subukan.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
There we go, beautiful. Thanks so much. Now, next we have from Random Republica, Kate Alamar. Hi, Miss Kate.
Hi, Althea. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Now that you're with Viva, sino yung mga gusto mong maka-work na Viva artists?
Sa mga ka-age ko, syempre kilala po natin sila Andres, si Ashton, ayan mga nabibigyan talaga sila ngayon ng Viva. And when it comes naman sa mga veteran, I hope sana sila Miss Sarah Geronimo, Ann Curtis, yung mga hindi ko nakaka-work before sa former network ko. So, kasi it's collaboration po, Viva with other networks. So, I'm praying and hoping na marami po akong maka-work na veteran actress.
And na-mention mo kanina na 10 years ka na rin naman umaarte and na-witness namin yung talent mo.
Yes.
Was there ever a time na you felt na hindi ito para sa'yo or gusto mo nang give up? And what kept you going?
Okay, what kept me going, of course, my family, dahil sila talaga ang nagpupush sa akin. And myself na rin kasi ito talaga yung dream ko. Ito yung gusto ko para sa sarili ko. And dahil nga, 10 years din ako sa network ko before. At nagpapasalamat din po ako sa kanila, syempre dahil for 10 years sila po ang family ko. Sa kanila ako lumaki, sa kanila ako nakilala. At sa kanila ko natutunan lahat ng alam ko sa industriya. And sa question niyo po if dumating ba ako sa point na gusto kong mag-give up, of course, dumating din ako doon, lalo na pag yung natiteka ako, wala akong nagagawa. But lagi kong sinasabi sa sarili ko na this is my dream eh. Gusto ko na i-push ko talaga yung sarili ko sa gusto kong gawin. And I think I'm in the right place, Viva and kay Sir ALV, kaya sobrang nagpapasalamat po ako sa kanila for believing in me po.
Congratulations.
Thank you so
Good luck,
much po.
Althea.
Maraming salamat po. You're in good hands, definitely.
Yes,
Thank you so
thank
much.
you po.
Up next, we have from Daily Tribune, Jeff Fernando. Hi, Sir Jeff.
Hello po, good afternoon.
Hi, Althea. Congratulations.
Thank you so much po.
Althea, question ko is, this is a new chapter ng career mo. Kumbaga sa New Year, di ba? Ano yung mga gusto mo nang iwan in the past at saka gusto mong simulan ngayon?
Paano ba? Sinasabi nga nila past is past, pero for me, my past is sobrang ganda ng past ko. At tulad nga po ng sabi ko kanina, ang dami kong natutunan at sa kanila ako nag-grow. But hindi po ibig sabihin na doon na ako magsa-stop. And I chose this path because I believe hindi po dito nagsa-stop ang dream ko.
Okay. Next question ko, Althea, for you is, yung kapwa mo, Viva artist na rin ngayon si Bea Binene,
Yes.
galing din with Jeremy
Yes.
before, na masigla rin ang career ngayon. Masasabi mo bang gusto mong maging kagaya niya na active at visible?
Yes, of course, sino po bang hindi? As an artista po talaga, gusto namin na lagi kaming active, hindi lang sa social media, of course, sa mainstream din po.
Okay, thank you, Althea.
Thank you so much po.
Congratulations again.
Thank you po.
Beautifully said. Maraming salamat po, Sir Jeff. Up next, we have from Radar PH, Kiko Escuadro.
Hello po.
Naka-prepare.
Surprise.
Hello.
Hello po.
Congratulations.
Thank you po.
Ngayong nasa Viva ka na, ano pa yung gusto mong i-explore?
Ayun nga po, dahil nga ang tagal ko lang po sa industry at mapapa-reflect talaga ako sa sarili ko na ano pa ba ang dapat kong gawin, ano pa ba ang kaya kong ibigay, ano pa ba ang mga dapat kong matutunan. So yun yung isa sa mga kina-question ko yung sarili ko. And with the help of Viva and Sir ALV, I know na mas makikilala ko pa yung sarili ko at yung makikip grow ako sa craft ko because I love yung kung ano yung ginagawa ko.
Na-mention kanina na may mga actors ng Viva na gusto mong makakolaborate.
Yes,
Since papasok ka rin sa music, meron ding recording
Yes.
Viva. So sino naman yung gusto mong makakolaborate ng mga singers?
Wow, parang kung mangangarap tayo, mangarap na tayo ng mataas. Di ba nabanggit ko po kanina si Miss Sarah Geronimo? Perfect. Ayun po.
Oh,
Gusto ko po siya makakalap.
Thank you,
Thank you po.
We will be manifesting with you.
Ay,
Ayan.
nai-LSS nga ako sa Tala. Eh.
Tala. Oh, gets ko na. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat po. Up next, we have from Stars Kotog, Alan. Hi, Sir Alan.
Hi, Sir Alan.
Hello. Congratulations sa
Thank you po.
So, tanong ko lang, kasi alam naman natin dito sa Philippines na mas sumisikat pag love team. Ikaw ba, are you open to have another love team dito sa Viva? And, or gusto mong mas makilala ka na solo artist that you can work with anyone?
Yes, of course po. I'm open na magkaroon ng love team and pwede rin naman po namin pag-usapan ng management ko if they decide na solo lang ako. And I respect that naman po. I'm willing and I'm ready po sa lahat ng work na gusto nilang ibigay sa akin.
Dahil nabanggit mo daw kanina yung na gusto mong makakolaborate si Sarah,
Yes.
pwede ka ba daw mag-sample ng tala?
Wow! Ayan. Ano ba?
Ilang sample?
Actually, yung part na ng LSS po is yung mataas na part, pero parang hindi ko po kaya yun. Ano ba? Ano nga yung chorus ng tala?
I think that's the bridge part.
Oo, yeah. Yung hindi man ako nilagay sa mundong ito para sa iyo. Kinanta talaga yung mataas na
Palakpakan
part.
naman natin, guys.
Wow! Congratulations sa Teyan. Welcome to Viva. Thank
Thank you
you.
po, thank you.
We were not prepared for that, pero ganda. On the spot. Thanks so much, Andrea. Up next, we have from Lionheart TV, Buck Richard, Taglikawan.
Chart. Sorry.
Hi, Ate.
Hello po.
Congratulations
Thank you
dito
so
sa bago
much.
mong crush. As a new start mo, diba? Mga 3 weeks ago, pinag-usapan natin na movie. So, iba hindi namin alam na magkakaroon ka ng ganito with Viva. Eto lang, bigyan mo lang kami ng idea paano to nag-start and paano ka napayes dito.
Paano nag-start? Of course, my manager, Sir ALV, pinag-usapan po namin ito and he said na interested si Viva sa akin. And of course, knowing Viva na nagpo-produce ng magagandang films, series, and nakakapag-collab din with other networks, which is exciting po. Talagang I grabbed the opportunity. Kasi sayang po di ba? Kasi ino-offeran ka na nila, so ako naman, I accept lang po. And I trust my manager po.
And eto na lang, syempre may mga kaibigan ka rin dun sa dating
Yes po.
May mga nakaalam ba and ano yung naging reaction nila? Sino yung mga pinagsabihan mo?
Actually po, wala po talaga nakakalaam. Family ko lang po and si Sir ALV. Asking kami-kami lang po. Parang mas gusto ko po kasi na small lang muna yung circle para talagang makapag-decide po ako. But then, nung nakita ko ng mga friends ko yung post ng Viva, yes, they message me po, naiiyak ako. Kasi alam ko po kung sino yung mga totoo sa akin. And hindi kami naghihilaan pababa because sa industry hindi naman po natin naiiwasan talaga yun. But I know kung sino po sa kanila yung totoo talaga dahil at my back talagang masaya sila. Masaya sila for me. Sige, pangalanan ko na mga nag-message sa akin, si Shane Sala, si Elijah Alejo. Sige, yun na lang muna. Secret na po yung iba.
Thank you, Thea.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations.
Maraming salamat po. Up next, we have from GMA Entertainment, Nerds Amo.
Hello.
Hello po.
Ay, ate, kakakita lang natin.
Yes na po. Kamusta po?
Yun, na-mention mo kanina, former home network. Ibig sabihin ba nito na you're closing your door na doing ano?
No po. I left GMA po on very good terms and we don't burn bridges po. Alam niyo naman po sa industry natin, napakaliit lang po ng mundo natin kaya mas maganda na we have good relationship with everyone po talaga. Wala pong tampuhan, wala pong naging problema. But ayun nga po sabi ko, darating tayo sa point ng life natin na mapapatanong tayo sa sarili natin na ano pa bang kaya kong ibigay. And I think this is the best time to step out of my comfort zone and explore new things po. This is my personal choice po and I am happy sa choice ko and I'm entering this journey po na with an open heart and zero bitterness po.
Since na-mention mo kung sino yung mga nakakaalam, ganyan, and open ka naman sa relationship mo with Prince, no?
Yes po.
May I know kung ano yung naging reaction na pag-usapan niyo ba to?
Yes. Ayun, hindi ko rin nabanggit na isa siya sa mga nakaalam, of course. And he's very supportive talaga. And gusto ko mag-thank you sa kanya because isa rin siya sa mga nakatulong sa akin to decide for this. And malaking help po talaga siya. And he respect naman kung ano pong decision ko.
Since magkaiba na kayo ng management, napag-uusapan niyo ba kung magkakaroon ng mga limitations pagdating sa relationship?
I think Sir ALV, my management and I can discuss about that naman po. And with Prince and I, we work professionally naman po. Work is work po talaga. And hindi namin inahalo yung personal life namin sa work namin. We respect each other po.
Hey, thank you and congrats.
Thank you po.
That's beautiful. Maraming salamat po. Up next, let's have from Inquirer, Alan Policarpio. Hi, Sir Alan.
Hello po, Sir
Hi,
Alan.
yeah. Congratulations.
Thank you po.
Pag bumabasa ako sa social media, ang daming parang pupuri namin sa'yo sa acting talent mo.
Thank you po.
Pero, do you feel at some point na parang medyo underutilized or underappreciated yung talent mo ngayon?
Honestly po, nung nag-post po si Viva na I'll be having a press con po, nagbabasa po ako ng mga comments. Mahilig po ako magbasa ng comments but I don't reply po masyado. But lahat naman po ng mga comments na nakikita ko is good comments naman po, which is malaking ginhawa po yun sa akin at sa mga nagsasabi po na magaling akong umarte, ganyan. Nagpapasalamat po ako sa kanila kasi nakikita po nila yun sa akin. And knowing myself na lagi po din nire-remind sa sarili ko na dapat lagi akong gustong matuto sa when it comes to my craft po talaga. Because ito na po yung kinalakihan ko eh. 6 years old pa lang po ako, gusto ko talaga nakaharap na po ako sa camera until now. And sana po sa future talaga. And here I'm starting my new journey with Viva and ALV po.
Do you think this time talagang mabibigyan na ng proper or mas attention yung parang talents mo?
Yes, I hope po sana. Lalo na very wide audience ng Viva po ngayon. They can collab, they have digital series, and big screen as well po.
Thank you so much.
Thank you po.
Thank you so much. Up next, let's call in from TikTok, People's Journal, and PM Pastor Amaya.
Hi po, good afternoon.
Hi, Althea.
Hello po.
Una-una, congratulations.
Thank you.
I know this is quite a bold step on your part or sa part ng career mo, yung pag-move mo from GMA to Viva. Of course, malaking factor siguro ang manager mo dito, si LB. But at the same time, siguro may mga iba pang factor kung bakit bakit mo consider na mag-move to another company like PEA.
Tulad nga po ng sabi ko na my manager is si Sir ALB po, and then he said na interested po si Viva sa akin, and ako po very thankful po ako dahil nakikitaan po nila ako. Siyempre po, taking risk po is part of sa life natin. And I think na kapag nag-focus tayo sa isang bagay lang po, hindi natin mabibigyan yung chance natin na maka-discover pa kung ano yung kaya natin gawin. And I think this is a good decision po for me.
Expectation mo. Now you are in a new family.
My expectation, of course, I want to focus more on films po talaga ngayon, na makita yung sarili ko on big screens. And eto rin po yung recordings, music po.
Saka ang bata mo kayo, only 21, so you have a long way to go. At saka at the same time, may opportunity ka na ikaw na talaga magbida.
Yes po.
Diba? Anyway, congratulations and
Thank
good
you
luck
so
to you.
much.
Thank you.
po.
Tita Esther, maraming salamat. Up next, let's have from Marites University, Rose Garcia.
Hello po.
Hello, ate. Pinapatayo.
Yeah, sige po.
Ayan. Anyway.
Ate, kamusta?
Hindi, Althea, itong paglipat mo ba, somehow do you feel some freedom? Yun ang una. Wala ka na
Okay, sige. Honestly, ayun po yung isa sa main perks. Under Viva and ALV, you have the freedom to work with everyone. And it opens doors for me nga po with other networks then. I am open to work with GMA pa rin, Kapamilya, and TV5, and doing digital nga po, lalo na ngayon ng social media. Kaya, yeah, I'm thankful po to them.
Okay. Pagdating sa love life, Althea, open naman kasi kayo ni Prince, di ba?
Yes po.
Pero, feeling mo ba medyo nalilimitahan kayo pagdating dito, dun sa dati mong network? At ngayon, paano ang magiging status, kumbaga?
Okay. May mga naririnig ako na dahil nga nagka-relationship ako, but I don't see any problem on that. We're people, we have feelings, it's normal na magkagusto tayo sa isang tao, and I don't know, it's just, ang hirap na-explain kasi open kami, yes, in public, in everyone, but hindi talaga namin like specifically open yung kung ano nangyayari sa relationship namin, ganyan-ganyan. We post, yes, pero that's it. Wala na kayong alam pang iba. And I hope na sana i-respect na lang nila yung kami, ni Princess at isa, especially magkaiba na kami ng network, at magkaiba din naman kami ng path, di ba? Yeah, I think Sir ALV naman po is, alam din naman po niya, so I think wala naman po magiging problem doon. At talagang magiging professional po kami when it comes sa trabaho.
Okay, last na. Kumusta naman yung pagmamaalam mo, of course, sa your former network na with your prima donna cast, di ba? Sila Jillian, sila Sofia, Elijah, kumusta? Alam ba nila, aware na sila, and ay, sabi mo pala kanina, si AL nila. Pero, kumusta yung hindi ba sila mamimiss in a way?
Honestly po, I'm a very private person po kasi talaga eh. Yung alis ko po sa GMA, wala po talagang nakakaalam. Ang pagpasok ko po sa Viva, wala po talagang nakakaalam. I think I'm just waiting for this right time to announce kasi I want to take it professionally po na malaman ng lahat. But dun sa mga friends ko before, sa prima donnas, wala po talaga silang idea. Wala akong pinagsabihan. And with my manager naman po and handler, we're good. Tulad nga po ng sabi ko kanina, I left GMA on good purpose po.
Pero last na, wala naman kayong any team ng mga
Prima
ibang
donna.
prima donna. Ay, yun
Hindi
nga.
pa
Parang,
hindi pa ba tapos yung questions na yan? Kasi, if curious pa rin kayo talaga sa nangyari before, sobrang bata pa po talaga namin noon. I think, ngayon, nakikita rin naman po namin iba't ibang path talaga kami, iba't ibang direction yung pinatutunguhan namin. And ako, very supportive lang ako sa kanilang dalawa. I have nothing against po sa kanilang dalawa. Siyempre, tinetreasure ko rin yung good relationship na nagkaroon kami, di ba? And ayoko po talaga magkaroon ng bad record sa kanila, kaya I'm both okay po sa kanila.
okay, sige. Good luck,
Thank you po.
Althea.
Parang hindi ka happy doon natin, Rose.
Carry lang.
Thank you po, thank you.
Thank you so much. Up next, let's have a vlogger that we have today. We have Oski Recabar.
Oski!
Hi, Thea. Nice to see you again.
Nice seeing you.
So, congratulations on your journey dito sa Viva. And my question, sa inyong mga artista sa GMA, so I know that you're on the right track, pero pagdating ng mga housemates sa BBB, there was a shift sa mga projects na halos napupunta sa mga artists na nanggaling sa BBB. So, as someone na nag-work hard for a long time, every time na may mga binibigay na projects sa baguhan, how does it feel? Para sa kagaya mo na matagal na
Okay.
nagbigay ng oras.
Ako naman, I think they deserve it. If we're talking about here yung mga housemates, syempre pinaghirapan naman nila yun and deserve naman nila yung spot right now. And for me, gusto ko lang i-continue kung ano yung ginagawa ko. And I don't see my career as nakikipag-compete ako sa iba because I have my own battle, parang gano'n.
So during your time in GMA, is there a role you've turned down or would never accept, even if it became the biggest project of your career?
Ooh, if biggest project yun, bakit ako magno-no, di ba? And, hindi, mahirap magsabi ng hindi if bibigyan nila ako talaga ng opportunity.
Congratulations, Ate.
Thank you po.
Thanks so much, Oski. Up next, let's have from Manila Times, Iza Iglesias.
Hello, Althea. Throughout the years, how do you think nag-grow ka as an artist? In what ways?
Nag-grow as an artist, in what ways ba? Siguro dun na lang po sa mga characters na pinoportray ko. I played so many characters. Hindi naman po napapanood sa mga teleserye, but I have this mga magpakilanman, wish ko lang. Nakakagawa na po ako ng mga serious character role na talagang pinapahirapan talaga. And I think na yun yung grow na masasabi ko for the past 10 years na nandito ako sa industry.
May side question. Ilang taon ka na ba sa GMA? Nakailang taon ka
10
sa
years
kanila?
po.
10 years.
Yes.
Okay. So, ngayon, how do you think you wanted to be known for? As an actress, as a musician, anong gusto mo makilala ka ng mga tao?
Gusto ko po makilala ako ng mga tao as yung magaling na artista talaga po. And siguro dagdag na rin natin dahil pinasok na natin yung music industry. Looking forward ako na makagawa ng own songs ko at mapakinggan din po ng lahat. But I want to be known po as magaling na artista po talaga.
Sa music side, nagsusulat ka ba ng may experience ka?
Before, nung bata ako, pero ano-ano lang talaga yun, parang fantasy ko lang magsulat ng mga songs. But now, sana bumalik yung ganong memory ko, para talagang own song ko po talaga.
Okay. Pero, anong genre ang gusto mong pasukan?
OPM.
OPM. Unlike pop, ballad.
Pwedeng pop na OPM.
Alright. Thank you,
Thank you po.
Althea.
Maraming salamat po. Up next, we have from Anong Ganap, Sir Erwin Agawa.
Hi Althea, welcome sa Viva.
Thank you
So
so
I'm just
much.
curious, growing up, sino yung mga naging inspiration mo sa showbiz?
Growing up, isa po talaga dyan si Miss Barbie Fortesa, Marian Rivera, Ann Curtis, Jody Santa Maria, ayan po, mga veteran actress talaga.
Eh, anong klase mga songs yung gusto mong i-record, mga genre?
Ayun po tulad
Upbeat ba or love songs?
Pwedeng love songs, pwedeng upbeat,
Yeah.
any kind of genre naman po.
Okay, best of luck.
Thank you po.
Alright, there you have it. Maraming salamat po. Again to our media friends, maraming salamat po because that wraps up our question and answer. Althea, maraming salamat for being so transparent and showing your vulnerability sa aming lahat. We are so happy to have you here sa Viva family. So, why not, have our last photo opportunity before we say goodbye?
Yes.
Ayan, there you go. Wow, what a very beautiful event to have right here. Ayan, you can take center stage, please. Alright, there we go. Again, the newest addition to the growing roster of artists ng Viva Artist Agency. We have Althea Ablan, the start of something that's so beautiful is happening right here, right now sa Viva Cafe. Maraming salamat,
Thank you
Althea.
so